Those days, those days,
the powers were physical.
Yes, and Konfo was having a lot of dwarfs. Dwarfs can do a lot of crazy things.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Yes, and that's what he did. And also, this is what Okomfo said. I'm quoting Okomfo Anokye word.
Okay.
Okomfo Anokye said the Golden Stool is not having powers. Listen, no, it's not having powers unless they go to Bojesango and take the Jute Kuduo, which belongs to Laguna Mensa, and come and add it to the Golden Stool to make it more powerful. Let me ask you. The Denkyira stool that came from the sky, it came with its own deities. You understand? It didn't need anything on earth to add to it to make it powerful.
Okay.
So why did Okomfo Anokye tell them to go to Bojesango, who was the junior brother of Denkyira, who Okomfo Anokye had lived in Denkyira, had witnessed the Denkyira festival, that these people brought the Jute Kuduo to Denkyira, and it had magical powers.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So why did Okomfo Anokye tell them to go to Bojesango and bring that Jute Kuduo to be added to? Listeners,
so was it ever done?
You take good. See, when Asante is coming, somebody carries a silver god and lead him.
Okay.
When Asante is coming.
Okay. Yes, when Asante is coming.
You see somebody carrying something and leading him.
Okay.
That is the Jute Kudu.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
It does not belong to Asante. It belongs to Bojesango.
Okay.
That is the junior brother of...
So did they fight for it? How did they get it?
Yeah, they fought for it.
Okay.
They fought for it.
So now, I think that a lot has been said now. There's a lot of established